For the second Roblox repair, I'll be suggesting how to fix the Bluesteel Midas hand, which I've reviewed previously. The Bluesteel Midas hand, while mostly functional and one of my favorite types of gear, seems to have two noticeable issues. The tool is not swung when clicked despite there being code for it, and it will not work with R15 users. To fix the first issue, we need to change how the glib asset by Sharksy is added to the tool. This asset is a module script named main module, which is imported through the hand's script object and accessed by the hand's local swing script. However, due to the code inside of the module script, it cannot function when created this way. So, I would import the asset into Studio and then add it to the tool directly. Then, I would go into the hand's script object and have it require the module script we just added, instead of importing it each time. Or, I would remove this segment entirely. Going into the hand's local swing script, I would change it to look for the name main module instead of glib. Now when you click, you will swing the hand, creating 3 blue blocks for visual effect and entering a 2-second cooldown. There is a new issue, however, which is that if you unequip the tool while on cooldown, once the cooldown is finished, the cursor of whoever last equipped the tool will be changed to the target symbol, even if the tool is still unequipped. To fix this, we need to go into the hand's mouse icon script. When the tool's cooldown is finished, its enabled property is changed and set to true. The update icon function will then update the cursor of the player who last used the tool to the target symbol. This causes players who unequip the tool while it's on cooldown to have their cursors changed back into the target symbol while the tool is still unequipped. If we add a variable called character to represent the last player to equip the tool, we could restrict the tool to only change the user's cursor when it's equipped. I would declare the character variable in the unequipped function and then check to make sure it matches the hand's parent in the update icon function. The first issue should now be fixed. Clicking swings the hand and creates blocks similar to the Midas glove. The blocks will have a marble texture and disappear after 1 minute. To fix the second issue, we need to do two things. First, going back into the hand's script object, in the function equipped, the variable torso is defined as the user's torso body part. However, this only exists for R6 characters. I would define the variable as the user's humanoid torso property, which references their humanoid root part body part instead, as this exists for both R6 and R15 characters. Then, I would change the right arm variable to reference the user's right hand object if their character is R15, instead of the right arm object, which also only exists for R6 characters. The second thing we need to do is create a new swinging animation for R15 characters. Once added to the tool, I would change the names of the animation objects to identify which character type each of them works for. Finally, I would move declaring the swing variable to the function activated, so when a user swings the hand, the animation will match their character type. With these changes, the Bluesteel Midas hand should be fixed. Clicking swings the hand, and the gear is fully compatible with R15 avatars. Personally, I would shorten the cooldown, change the swinging animation, and maybe remove the target mass limit. However, these are clearly intentional design choices by whoever made the gear, so changes to them are unnecessary and would not count as fixes. I've included my repaired version of the Bluesteel Midas hand in my Roblox Repair place, if you want to test it out. That is all for this repair. Bye.